Well, I just finished up my morning hunt. It was a good hunt. I saw quite a few deer. Nothing within bow range though. My father-in-law about a couple weeks ago said he found a dead buck out here on the property, and I just now got around to getting it. So I'll get this camera flipped around and show you guys. Not how you want to find them, but I think the deer died naturally. Oh man, he died. Yeah, he's been laying here for a while, so I'd assume it was natural causes. Pretty good 8-pointer. Oh, yep. Pretty unfortunate. Oh, golly.